Retouching is about actually evening out those tones and smoothing those tones out. But it's also about guiding the eye.
The aim is to find the focus of the image.
So you create layers that are simply there to assist you identifying problems.
Exactly. Everything has to retain texture, contrast, to build it, to make it more natural. Just think about what distracts my eye, what catches my eye. These little imperfections, what makes us human. You have to leave that in. I'm going to be removing all those things that will not be there in a matter of weeks.
Temporary things.
Yes.